Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. Okay, and now just this mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker here, so this value then here on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113.1 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.